Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make best study notes. First, gather your essential materials like pens, paper, and highlighters. Next, choose a consistent note-taking method that truly suits your learning style, whether it's Cornell, outlining, or mapping. Finally, establish a dedicated, distraction-free study space. This preparation is crucial for setting the stage for effective learning and ensuring you capture every important detail. As you engage with new material, actively listen to pinpoint the main ideas and supporting details. Don't try to write down every single word. Instead, use abbreviations and symbols to quickly condense information. For instance, an ampersand can replace and, saving valuable time. Remember to highlight or underline crucial terms and concepts, making them stand out for future review and ensuring you capture the essence of the content. Once you have captured the information, it's time to organize it for maximum understanding. Use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to structure your content logically. Consider employing different colors or sticky notes to visually categorize information, making connections clearer. A blue pen for definitions and a red pen for examples can be very effective. Finally, summarize the main points in your own words at the end of each section, reinforcing your comprehension. The final, and perhaps most critical, step is to review and refine your notes. Aim to review them within 24 hours to significantly reinforce memory retention. Don't just reread, elaborate on brief notes by adding more details, examples, or personal insights. This active engagement deepens your understanding. Lastly, actively test yourself using your notes. This could involve covering sections and recalling information, ensuring you can retrieve the knowledge effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.